You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the Turno cleaner app review in order to see if this app is worth your time. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the Turno cleaner app help Airbnb host and property manage automate cleaning schedule, manage payment, and communicate with cleaner in one place. It's great for organizing turnover, syncing calendars, and ensuring each property is cleaned on time, saving hosts a lot of manual effort. However, cleaners often face challenges with low job availability, delayed payment, and bugs in the app. Some also says it's favor hosts more than the cleaner. So in my opinion, the Turno cleaner is worth using if it's for busy hosts managing multiple rentals, but cleaner might find it hit or mix depending on local demand and platform reliability. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review.